Here's a simple game plan to build credit the right way. Start with a secured card or a small credit builder loan. You can also ask a trusted family member to add you as an authorized user. Put 1 or 2 small bills on the card and turn on autopay so you never miss. Keep your balance low compared to your limit. Under 30% is good, under 10 is great. On-time payments are the #1 driver of your score. Even one late mark can hurt. The longer you manage credit well, the better. Don't close a no-fee card that's in good standing. Apply sparingly. Too many hard inquiries in a short time can drag your score down. Review all 3 credit reports and fix any mistakes. Need help getting started? We can walk you through your options. Subscribe for more quick money tips.